We know that you have been looking to grow your wealth through profitable property investments. We also know that you've been struggling to find the right deal that is going to guarantee you high rental yield and good capital growth. And that's because we know no matter how many times you search on countless property websites or even chat to several real estate agents will give you access to cash flow positive return on your investment. What you need is exclusive property deals that have been put together to guarantee you the best property return on investment. Imagine investing in a property that guarantees you having a tenant for 2 years without you having to pay levies for 12 months. What if you could purchase a property today that guarantees a 10.5% net yield? Imagine investing in a property where positive cash flow is guaranteed because bond and transfer costs are included. With PropInvest, all of this is possible and more. The number one goal for PropInvest is to help you create generational wealth through exclusive property investment deals. This is due to our relationships with property developers, banks, liquidators, and other financial institutions that we are able to get the most exclusive and best deals. So here's what to do next. We want to offer you a free, no obligation property consultation so that we can find out how to give you the best and exclusive access to property investments. And that will be the start of your journey of creating generational wealth and good positive cash flow.